everybody, this is A or B or C English. In this video, we are going to discuss how to play the infamous rock, paper, scissors game in Zoho Creator. It is interesting, right? Come, let's begin. This game does not require records, so we can do this in stateless form, that is the duplicate form. Here also, we have the same form. This game only requires 4 fields and a note field. First, the player, which is me, is selecting rock. Now I'm going to go to the player choice and I'm going to choose rock. Once I do that, I have gained a point, so I get a happy face reaction. I'm now selecting scissors and I've gained a point again with the same happy face reaction. Now I'm choosing paper, and since the computer has also randomly chosen paper, the points are equal for this round. Therefore, no one gains a point with a no reaction emoji. After choosing scissors again, the computer's random choice being rock, the computer gains a point and the player gets a sad face reaction. After choosing the paper again and gaining the 3rd point, I won the game, and so a happy GIF is being displayed. Now we're going to look at the back-end work for this game. Here in the workflow, we have to give user input of player choice. Only then the auto-random would work according to the player's choice. First, we keep everything empty. Rock, paper and scissors form my main list, so I am converting them into a list and setting a condition. And I am changing it into a random list and applying the if condition. That is, the computer's choice should have a lesser value than that of the player's choice. This condition would add points to the player. When the player wins, the points are added, and accordingly, the emoji also gets to react. Now this emoji would be according to the player's win. Now we apply an else condition to the if for when the choice of the player matches with the random choice of the computer. Now this match will become a draw and no one gets a point. When nobody gets a point, then we have to show an emoji that is applicable for that, right? So that happens. Then we apply the last else when the computer's choice has greater value than the player's choice. The computer gains a point. As we saw earlier, you can try this out. Every one of these choices would display a difference for the reaction to be displayed for the 3 different results. In this match, I won and the happy GIF is being displayed. We have likewise another GIF will be displayed when the computer wins. When the player achieves this 3 points and wins the match, for creating a rock, paper and scissors game in Zoho Creator. This is the script. We shall discuss another game or another interesting topic in the upcoming basic idea. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel according to your supporting our channel. This script until we meet again in another video. Displayed. Have a great time when the computer wins. In this match, I won and a happy GIF was displayed. Likewise, another GIF will be displayed when the computer wins. This is the overview idea for creating a rock, paper and scissors game in Zoho Creator. We shall discuss another game or another interesting topic in the upcoming video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and continue supporting our channel. Until we meet again in another video, have a great time.